With Umbraco Engage, every interaction becomes personal. Deliver unique experiences to each visitor based on their behavior, their preferences, and profiles. Umbraco Engage allows you to tailor content in real time. Display the right message, promotions, or products based on user profiles and engagement history. Easily set up personalization rules targeting users based on demographics, behavior, or even past interactions. Create dynamic segments to ensure each user gets the content that matters most to them. Engage is fully integrated into Umbraco's CMS. Going from setting up a segment to editing personalized variations is done with a click of a button. It's in the same platform, and you're using the familiar content editing tools to optimize and personalize content, complete with split view editing to make you more productive. Track the impact of personalization with built-in analytics, giving you insight into how tailored experiences are driving engagement and boosting conversions. Ready to engage your audience on a deeper level? Discover the power of personalization with Umbraco Engage. Book a demo today.